Introduce highlight features or overview summary for POXURIO 190 ppd, commercial dehumidifier with pump. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include 190 pints commercial dehumidifier. This commercial dehumidifier with high airflow of 210 cfm can remove 85 pints per day at AHAM condition. Under nearly saturated conditions, daily water removal can be increased to remove 190 pints, covering an area of 6,000 square feet. Designed for humid environments such as basements, crawl spaces, garages, and more places. Automatic cleaning function. This commercial dehumidifier with internal pump will automatically discharge condensate water, suitable for gravity drainage or upward drainage. Equipped with a 16.4 feet drainage hose to maximize the convenience of drainage. This commercial dehumidifier comes with an automatic cleaning function. During normal operation, the pump purges automatically when the reservoir is full. Plug and go operation. All you need to do is plug it in, turn it on, set the humidity. The auto on/off and memory starting adds convenience. The auto restart on power failure and auto defrost features allow less supervision. See the GPP number on the display board at a glance. Stackable commercial dehumidifier with wheels. This commercial dehumidifier features a compact design of 16.15 x 25.99 x 20.87 inches with wheels, making it more convenient for users to use in bases, warehouses, garages, and other crawl spaces. The machine door is designed with a stacking groove, allowing multiple dehumidifiers to be stacked for use. Automatic defrost. Our upgrade auto defrosting system continuously monitors the ambient temperature using built-in sensors. When the temperature is detected to be too low, the device will activate the automatic defrosting procedure to prevent the formation of frost and the associated problems. During this process, the compressor will temporarily stop working while the fan continues to operate, causing the frost layer to melt. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.